grass is delivered. There. Artificial lawn.
Happy. Happy,
I have lots to do. Yeah. So this one I'm gonna continue to put the grass and
all out?
yes, yeah.
Boxing nails. Oh. Sorry.
It's alright. I use that.
Your boxing nails are down there. No, they're up by the side on your right. Yeah, no worries.
Thank you. See you later. So alright, my fake grass is arrived. It's delivered. The cutting grass. We ordered this because it's really cheap like this. So we just need to connect each other. So this is what I'm talking about. The fake grass. So I will show you later after we put the, what is it called again?
Fake grass?
No, this one. Matting, I think. I don't know what is that called then. Yeah, I already put the this one. I don't know what's that called anyway. Maybe you know. So yeah, this is getting ready. So my husband there get put the same size the fake grass, so easy to me to grab when I start to put it. I just need to glue together and nails, and then that's it. So see you later. But yeah, I will show you some.